I gotta change the station that I have, 'cause all I hear is you. It just keeps reminding me of all the things we used to do. And I know that I should turn off the radio, but it's the only place I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous. It's been months since I've spoken to you. You ain't keeping touch. Don't know why it came to this, but enough is enough. No more walking around with my head down. I don't wanna be a fool crying over you. If you're so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, you said you loved me, why ain't you here? I'm so sick of your love songs, so sad and slow. I just can't turn off the way they are.